guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a that was a fail, epic fail, but it's going to be a Nykaa haul, the Pink Friday Sale 2021 Nykaa haul. And I don't have a lot of things to show actually. It comes in different shipments, but yeah, I have all the basic needs that I need to live. Not much makeup at all, literally no makeup actually. And yeah, these are just things that I need to survive, and I thought I'll make use of the discounts, so let's go. By the way, my appearance, I like to go all out for my hauls, so that's why I'm looking a bit extra. This is the first time that I used these butterfly clips, and I could have done a way better job actually with the whole placement and color combination, but I literally don't have much time today. I have to breeze through this video, so I just tried. Anyway, let's go. I'm going to start with this box actually. So the first product, I am the most excited about this one. This is called Baby Biotique. I think this is a baby product, but it says sensitive mommy and baby bubble bath. So this is what it looks like, and I was actually in the search for a bath bomb because you know how much I love baths. That's my favorite time of the day. After a long day of work, just sitting in hot water and just washing out the entire day, I love that. And for that I wanted a bath bomb, but it's not there on Nykaa. I know that the Body Shop has it, but it's not there on Nykaa. Anyway, so this was the only thing close to it which can give me a nice bath experience. This is basically bubble bath, so once you pour a little bit, it should be nice and bubbly to add a little something to your bath. So I'm so very excited for this. This reminds me of my childhood when I was small, like very small, 6-7 years old. My mom had a bottle like this, and every day I used to sit in the kids' bathtub. She used to come, put only 2 drops, and I used to be like, I want more. But yeah, playing in the bubbles and the whole experience, I feel like I'm still a kid. But yeah, I'm very excited about this, and this was really inexpensive. Oh my gosh, this retails for 150 and I got it for 98, which is such a good deal. And I think it's quite a good quantity as well. You only need a little bit every time, so I'll keep you updated how this baby product works for me. The next thing in the box is this little really tiny makeup removing balm. So till this date I use coconut oil to remove my makeup, and I really wanted to get some nice cleansing balms, but when I searched that on Nykaa, I literally got no result except for this product. And then I was lazy to go on YouTube and check which are some good cleansing balms, so I got this one. This is by Rene Cosmetics. It is a brand started by an actress called Ashka, but let me tell you, this is tiny. Like when I was ordering on Nykaa, it looked quite big. I thought I'm gonna get at least this much size of a tub, but this is very tiny, 30 grams, and I don't really read the quantity while shopping. But it is fully filled till the top. It's not like starting midway between. It is quite thick. Oh yeah. Oh, I think this will last me a long time. Let me show you. It looks like this. I think you have to just rub your finger in, get some balm on, warm it up in your fingers, and then start removing makeup. So I'll keep you updated how it works. So this tiny baby retails for 290 rupees, but I got it for 232, which is a good deal. I am happy with the quantity, I guess. I'll keep you updated. Okay, next product we have is this tint by The Face Shop. It is called Fit Tint X. Oh my gosh, this is the Water Shop only, right? Why does it not say the... Oh, sorry. Not the Body Shop, The Face Shop. The Face Shop Fit Tint X. I don't know what that means, but it's in the shade Rose Pink. I got this because I like putting just tints on an everyday basis. You know, if you're having a bad day, just add some lipstick and your problems will be fixed. Your mood will be 10 times better, and I guarantee that. So that's why I wanted something that I can put every day, but it's not as heavy as a lipstick. So, and I had a tint. I had Benefit Bene tint, but I don't know, I lost it. It was anyway over, only little bit was there, but I have lost it somewhere in the house. That's why I got this. I've heard so many people talk good things, especially about this shade called Rose Pink, so I'm excited. It looks like this, retails for 499 and I got it for 450, so not a huge discount, but still it is a discount. Okay, so it is not like Bene tint. I don't think it is like water. Bene tint is literally watery, but this is like creamy, and this is like a wand, lip gloss wand, but let me see. Ooh, okay, it is orangish. Oh yeah, it is nice. It is watery. I like it. I like my tints to be such lightweight only. Oh, that gives such a nice flush of pink. Not even pink, it's like an orangish color actually. And you can wear it as a lip tint, as a cheek tint. So yeah, I am very excited to use this. I will keep you updated finally trying this super hyped product. Alright, the next thing in my box is a body scrub by Nykaa. It is the Nykaa Wanderlust body scrub. I really like this Wanderlust range from Nykaa. I use their body wash. I like cherry blossom and Mediterranean sea salt, but this time I got Sicilian sweet pea only because it had the biggest discount. I'm not going to lie. I'll tell you the discount, it was big. This retails for $350 and I got it for only $175. Can you believe that? And I actually wanted to go for Japanese cherry blossom, but this was on highest discount, so I got this one. Let's smell it. Okay, smells very fresh, very floral and nice. Let's check out the scrub particles. Okay, not super harsh. I think these are very like tiny and not that harsh on your body. Not sure you can see it, probably you can't. And this is what my bottle looks like. You get quite a good quantity, 140 grams. Before this, I still use the M Caffeine body scrub. It smells so divine, but I'm almost out of it and I do like this, but I wanted to try something else, so I got the Nykaa one. Where am I supposed to wipe this now? Maybe I should just scrub my hand, you know. The next things we have are hair care products. It is by L'Oreal, the L'Oreal Dream Lengths range. So I have the shampoo from this range and I like it, but I ran out of my conditioner recently. So that's why I got this one, because I really wanted to try the entire range out. So this is really tiny. I got it for $99. This entire range is really good for long hair and I'm planning to grow out my hair, so smells exactly like the shampoo. You'll see, but I'm most excited about this no haircut leave-in cream. This is what it looks like. This is actually super famous in the market and it is unique, you know. I've never seen a product like this, especially it says seals split ends. I'm not sure about that, but I will test it. Strengthens lengths and tips, which I would like. So I like the concept, no need to cut your hair, but this one retails for $4.99 and I got it for $4.50, so a tiny discount, but yeah, I always wanted to try it. And I saw some pictures on Nykaa and it looked really nice. Their long hair, nice. It looked healthy and frizz-free. I am excited to use this product and I will definitely keep you updated. Excuse me, I went to close it and look what it did. But yeah, it looks nice, it looks promising. Okay, next product is a makeup product. So yeah, I just have 2 lip liners actually, because I also have only 2 lip liners in my collection and I'm such a huge fan of burgundy and wine lip shades. But I don't have a single lip liner in that shade. That's why I got this one from Wet n Wild. Which one is the wine one? Actually, you know what? Both look so similar that I have no idea. I got one brown shade because I don't have one brown shade, and I have a wine shade, but both look exactly the same. Like, do you see any difference in the shade? Yeah, I am guessing that this is brown. Oh, that's nice. It's a good swipe and a nice brown color. Next one is supposed to be the wine color. Hello, please focus. Scam, I have been played. They are literally the same shade. Anyway, so it retails for $195 each and I got it for $176. So yeah, one of it is called Brandy Wine. So well, let me tell you, these pencils look so huge. Like, I was not sure if there is anything else at the bottom, but yeah, they are huge. They are really big. That is nice, will last me a long time. Just look how similar they look. This is supposed to be a wine shade, but it looks like a dark brown shade. So Wet n Wild has played me. That's okay, I also have quite a lot of dark lipsticks, so I'll make use out of both of them. Okay, next thing we have is a face scrub, because I'm almost out of my face scrub and I got the same one again by M Caffeine. This is the Naked and Raw Cappuccino Coffee Face Scrub. So I was actually looking for a different face scrub on Nykaa, but I was just not attracted to any, so I got this one again. This is my 3rd purchase and I really like this one. The smell is divine, the particles are not harsh. I like it. So chocolatey, so yummy. So this retails for $229 and I got it for $199. So this is what it looks like. 75 grams for $199. Oh, and it smells so nice, like coffee plus chocolate. Yum. I feel like trying this every time I'm using this. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot. This is not the normal Caffeine face scrub that I always get. This is a new one for acne and oil control, which is different and it's good for me. Acne and oil control. I'm excited to try this one, and that's why I feel like this smells even more coffee-like than my other normal regular one. This literally smells like a cafe. But yeah, I completely forgot. I searched for this face scrub on Nykaa and I saw a new variant, so I immediately picked this up. So I'll keep you updated how it is. But that's not the only good thing about Caffeine. They also gave me a free kit. So I only bought one product, that too for $1.99, and they gave me a free kit. I'm so excited. I'm a sucker for free gifts, and oh my god, how did they know that I'm almost out of my body scrub? Whoop! Oh, it's not a body scrub. Oh, it is coffee scalp scrub. Obviously, it is a hair care product. So I'm a little dumb, but it looks exactly like my body scrub. That's why I thought they gave me a mini body scrub. But it's a scalp scrub. Smells very strong, not very pleasant. I feel like I am in some chemistry laboratory. But yeah, this is what it looks like, a tiny jar for your scalp. It's a scalp scrub. I've never even tried. I didn't even know there is such thing as scalp scrub. So I'm excited to use this. Not sure how it'll feel. Okay, this has some scrubbing particles to, I don't know, scrub your scalp. Let's check out the next thing in the free kit. 2 tiny little bottles of coffee shampoo and coffee scalp and hair oil. So I think we have to use the hair oil first, let it on for 30 minutes, hop into the shower, use the scalp scrub, use the coffee shampoo after it. So it's a nice whole routine, hair care routine. But anyway, let's see how the hair oil smells like. Oh, I like it! Coffee, like a strong coffee, like a raw coffee, you know? Looks like regular oil, doesn't smell like regular oil. So yeah, I can't wait for my hair to get greasy so that I can use this entire range. Yeah, thank you so much, Caffeine. It is so impressive. Okay, the next thing is also very exciting. It's not a makeup product. It is a hairband. It's a sequin hairband. Oh my gosh, look how pretty it is. I have been dying to get a sequin hairband exactly like this since so many years. Because you know, even if you're home and you're kind of bored with your look, just adding one hairband will just add some glitz and glam to your look. I love it. I'm going to make great use out of it, and this is from a brand called Young Wild Free, and it's called, this hairband is called Khaleesi, so I like that. The discount on this one was so good. It retails for 800 rupees and I got it for 480, which is good, and it is a really nice quality hairband also, so it will last me very long. Okay, and the last thing of our haul is a beauty blender by Nykaa. It is an egg-shaped beauty blender by Nykaa. This retails for 425 and I got it for 320. So I like it, 100 rupees off. And oh my god, there are so many shades in this, like yellow, blue, lavender, green, but I got orange one because you know our foundations are generally like beige or natural or sand shades, and you know beauty blender, if it's pink or a different color, it tends to stain no matter how much you wash it and how regularly you wash it. So I feel like this one will not catch my beige like foundation and it will not look dirty. But yeah, it's quite bouncy, quite soft. So I'm excited. I'll keep you updated. Yeah guys, that completes this video. These are all of the things that I got from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. I'm so excited and happy with everything that I got. Let me know what you got. Did you get any makeup? What exciting things did you get? Let me know. But that completes this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I loved making it and I loved everything that I got. But don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new here. Leave me a nice comment and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!